All right, everyone. So I'm going to be working on a 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor. I'm going to replace the broken handle. I'm going to show you a little bit the easiest way to do it without removing the window. It's unnecessary to remove the window. So what you need to do, you don't even have to slice this part right here. So what you just need to do is peel it off, just like that. All right. I already peeled mine off, but you don't need a blade. Don't blade it out because you're going to have to put it back. So there's going to be 3 screws, one over here which you can access directly from here, and then there's one underneath it, just cup it, and then there's another one right here underneath it. So just basically cup it, that way you don't need to remove your window. So first off, remove the other one right here. So what I'm going to do is just reach in with my little stubby, or if you don't have a stubby, you can use something else, just like that. See, the screw is coming off already. Alright, you don't need to remove the window once again on this one. So that's one. And then second one, I'm gonna need 2 hands. I'll be right back. 10 mil, a short one, and that way you can access the the first bolt to the right, and then from this one to the left, you just easily access from here. Oopsie. This one. Make sure you don't drop any of these bolts. So here's the third one. Just peek on it, you can see it. Okay, it's off. Just take it out from the finger. You gotta wear gloves on these guys because everything is so sharp on this. And this is without removing the windows. This is one less step to do. You can actually take a peek. Alright, so there's gonna be a little latch over there. For this little piece right here, you're gonna have to unclip it. For you to unclip it, let me see here, 1 second, okay? Alright, once you release the 3 screw button, pull this piece right here. That way you can release the lock. Push this pin right here outside, going to the left. As you can see, push it with a flat head. That way it releases the chamber, just like that. Okay. That way you don't need to remove this piece. So just this piece right here, because we're gonna transfer it to the other one. See how it's already loose. No need to remove the window once again. And now we need to remove this piece over here. That's all right. So just grab a flat head. It was so dirty I couldn't see the okay, there it is. You see how it clips right there? You just, since we don't need it, just pry it out, and then, oh, there you go, sorry, pry it out, and then just remove it this way. There it is. Now it's actually off. See, you can remove it without taking out the glass. Everyone, no need to take out the glass. See, took it out without it. And putting back the new one, it's reverse order. All right, and that's how quick it is, guys. To remove the door panel, you have to just remove, I'm going backwards now, just remove the, what do you call this, this piece right here, the screws on door lights, and then there are 2 screws over here to remove, and then just tug it right over here when all the screws are removed. Actually, this one pops out straight up. It's held on by clips. So on this one, this is where you can pull it from here, and you don't need to use flat head because you're gonna scratch your paint or plastic. Just just pull it from here. It'll give it a good tug and it'll come off, and then pull it out from the top. All right, guys, I guess that's about it, and hope that helps without removing the window glass. It's only held on by 3 screws. I used a 10mm and a 10mm short stubby. That's all the tools that I need, and a flat head to release the holder for the key lock. Thanks for watching. God bless, and until next time, thank you. Don't forget to sub. There it is. And also to add in the video, you know how you lean your leg over here and it squeaks? So I went ahead and they put a tape, paint tape or whatever tape for using paint. Just go ahead and wrap it around here the way I put it in. That way when you lean your leg, it doesn't go that. That shit is annoying. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching. Please sub if you can. Have a good day. God bless.